Okay, so David just got here and he hasn't seen the car yet, and he's at the door. So I'm gonna have him come look, and we're gonna get his initial impressions. First time seeing it. Why, hello, David.
Well, hello, party people.
Okay. So we're getting your first impressions. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
First impressions on the FC.
Oh, Jesus.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I'm stoked, man.
Are you?
I'm freaking stoked. It's been years.
It has been years. Okay, so like, stay right here. Well, like here. Okay. Stay. He's gonna look at that for the first time. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come in.
Oh, yes. God, yes. All right.
What you think?
There's things I want to say, but I know who's going to be watching this, so I'm going to refrain from saying those, but...
I can bleep everything out with turbo noises.
Oh!
Yep.
So it's dry.
Yeah.
Okay, this makes me so happy with how much freaking sanding we did. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright.
They made it worth it. It's worth it.
I'm totally happy.
Good.
I'm very happy.
I am too.
Maybe. Okay. I thought that was in the paint, and I was like, no. Oh.
The most minimal blemish in a spot no one would ever see. Oh no! It's ruined!
I would cry.
Yeah. Looks good. David!
How you doing?
Didn't recognize you right first. Oh, I'm just couldn't be better, like you.
Good.
I like it. Very dusty. Yeah, very dusty. I want to see how the sun that's
Oh yeah. Two slop in it. Anything that didn't be a project.
You know, the problem is when you're 20 years old,
Working at a cafe.
what the fight is. I worked 8 hours a day in North. So like, you know, like
I'm helpful, I know.
I've been at plating shops before, they have tanks similar to that.
So, okay, so I haven't had the camera on all day. Me and my grandpa have just been cleaning crap like crazy. So yeah, car is here and all pretty. We actually took like every single thing out of the shop, pulled it all out, cleaned everything. So like all of this was just full of our shop stuff. Pulled the truck out, cleaned the whole floor, cleaned everything. So yeah, I mean, it's like a nice, clean shop now, finally. It's been a long time. So I got everything cleaned and ready to bring the car in. Yay! Well, if you're wondering, I am in awe. I'm in complete shock. Like, I don't. So it's in here. And this is mine. Mine. That's my car. Right there. I'm not gonna do like a crazy cool edit or anything yet because it's not all put together. But I will. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yup. So, I mean, I think the blue looks a little different on camera, for sure. But, yeah. So that's my car. I wanted to show you guys the difference between fender and no fender. So here's a fender. And here's a no fender. So a lot of people don't go to the effort of painting all that stuff because they think, oh, I'll always have fenders on. Well, it's a drift car. Things happen. You usually rip stuff off. And when you rip stuff off, I still kind of want it to look pretty. So I went to that extra effort. There's the over fender. Wow, it can't focus on my car for some reason. Okay, so there's my over fender. I really tried to get rid of this gap as much as possible because I hate when people have gaps out to here. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, there's a gap here, but that's because it pulled the tire out. Pulled the tire out enough so we have more fitment and more room. So it's kind of like a, they're supposed to be 30 mil fenders, so I think there's like 40 now because we like pulled them 10? I don't know. I don't understand how people say that. But here's the side without one. This paint is gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. And actually I was working on getting side skirt on. But something that I've seen, I actually saw TJ Hunt do it, and he put his fender to his side skirt before he put it on the car. I've never done that, but I'm gonna actually try it really quick, see if it works better, as I was having some fitment issues on the fender, and I actually kind of scraped off a little bit of paint right there. So I'm gonna try to put this together really quick. Well, I mean, they're technically on. So that's cool. Ride height for days. I can actually see my reflection. What is that? I haven't been able to see that for forever. This is crazy. Alright, well, there's a side skirt on. I don't know how much I like that. And I think I have a lot of fitment stuff to figure out and mess with. Definitely need some work still. But, I mean, heck, I can't really complain. This is way more than I could have ever asked for. It looks so much better with side skirts on. That's, okay. Without side skirts, with side skirts. Looks so much better. I'll be over here tomorrow morning getting all this stuff done. Wow. I don't feel like I deserve this. This car is... I mean, I'm 20. I'm 20 years old, and I have that. This is crazy. I mean, this shows in every way. If you work your butt off, you can have whatever you want. 5 years ago, when I bought that car, I did not to say the least, I had no idea that was gonna be mine. Oh man, all right. Cannot wait to race this thing.